about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see, the state property location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, food, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent if guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several rules and orders are available for this property, along with various free plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel, then